Alright guys and gals, I just made another video. I don't know if you can see, I think it's a bird. Oh, is it over there? Yeah, it's there. No, food's phone, uh-oh. What'd it say? But yeah, there's a fucking bird in the house. I don't know how it got in here. No. Food is hitting the camera. Ah! Okay, I don't know, can you see it? No, I'm not gonna try to hurt it. Well, I don't want to hurt it, but I just kind of want to poke at it a little bit so you can kind of see. Yeah, I'll try to do it as hard as I can. Kind of scare it. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, can you see it? Jesus Christ, bird. What are you doing in my damn room? You want out? I could let you out. See if I can. What are you doing? Bird? There's a fucking bird in my room. What is she? You're the animal expert. Do something. I want to let you out, bird. I don't know what kind of bird you are, but you can kind of sit there. But this is weird as shit. There's a goddamn bird in my room. Alright, bird, you want out? I'll let you out. See if I can. Well, this is just a random vlog. There's a fucking bird in the house. In my room, no less. Yeah. Why is there a bird in my room? How? I probably should not have left this open. But look at that bird. It's just there. What the fuck are you doing up there, bird? How did you get over here? Yeah, I'm looking at you. I'm making a video. Oh. What are you doing? What the? Do you want out? Shoot. What the fuck? Oh, come on. What is she? What? Bird? Shoot. No, I said shoot. What the fuck are you doing? Bird? Okay, guys and gals, that's it for this video, because this is just getting nuts. There's a fucking bird in my room. How did it... What's it doing? I know it's probably scared as shit, because it's like, why am I in this weird house? I don't know why it's in this house either. Bird. Anyways, I'll see you guys and gals later. I hope you enjoyed this video. The fucking bird in my damn room. I live in a house. And we do not own a pet bird. Anyways, peace out, people with Brohoof. This is the weirdest thing I ever seen in this damn room. Let alone this damn house.